everyone, I'm back with one more home remedy from Vedic Elixir. Imagine a woman not being able to talk. Can you? That's one thing you cannot even imagine. Now imagine your final presentation day and you're not able to speak for it. You are doomed. That's just a glimpse of what can happen if you're suffering from tonsillitis. Today we'll fight off tonsillitis with our effective homemade remedy. Tonsillitis is caused due to exposure to sudden cold and non-elimination of toxicity through normal channels such as constipation. To cure tonsillitis, you will need turmeric and milk. Take a cup of milk and keep it for heating for about a minute. And take 1 tablespoon of turmeric and add it to the heating milk. Let's simmer for about a minute. Lactose in milk helps in breakdown of polysaccharides, hence improving digestion. Protein like casein helps repairing the damaged tissues. Vitamins provide the ultimate nourishment. Calcium helps in contraction and relaxation of the muscles. Manganese helps in enzymes activity during digestion. So these were the benefits of milk. Now turmeric helps treat infections of the tonsil. Turmeric has a long history for health and as a dye. It has helped overcome almost all the infections and wounds and is a traditional medicine since the starting of human race. Now take the mix of the milk and the turmeric and pour into your cup. Fantastic! The mixture of milk and turmeric are best to fight any throat-related infections like cough and cold. Drink it hot to soothe the pain and warm the tonsils. Drink it at least 3 nights in a row when suffering from inflamed tonsils. Just a quick recap. You have your 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Heat the milk and while it's on heating, add the turmeric. Mix it well and once it comes to its appropriate temperature, drink it. Drink it for at least 3 nights in a row to get your relief. Here's the second remedy for your tonsils, just at your fingertips. All you need is water, table salt, turmeric, and neem powder. Take a small vessel that can be heated on a burner. Pour a cup of water in it, like this. And half a tablespoon of turmeric. And half a tablespoon of neem powder. And 1/4 tablespoon of table salt. Now mix it well and heat it on the burner. Just like this. And let it come to a temperature that is mouth-friendly. Gargle with the solution for 4 to 5 times a day. The solution can be used for 5 hours. After that, make a fresh batch again. In Sanskrit, neem is called Nimba, which means good health. The Vedas called it Son, that cures all diseases and ills, Sarva Roga Nivarini. Whereas turmeric is known for strengthening and warming the body in Indian Ayurveda system of herbal remedy. So just a quick recap, we have 1 cup of water, we have 1/4 tablespoon of table salt, we have neem powder, half a tablespoon, and a half a tablespoon of turmeric water. Heat the water and burner in a vessel and add the following ingredients. Once it reaches mouth-friendly temperature, gargle at least 5 to 6 times a day. And here you go with some quick homemade remedies to get your tonsils back into good health. Talk as much as you want and express. Impress everyone around you with your words and voice. Vedic Elixir helps you to be your own doctor by providing these homemade remedies for your good health. We'll see you again with more wellness and beauty tips at Vedic Elixir. Stay happy, stay healthy.